3,000 registered Ngāi Tahu living in Brisbane.
I'm Miri Te Pope Koto, Ngāi Tahu, and I come from Tuahiwi.
Rose Coulter, I'm Ngāi Tahu, and my whānau are from Waiwera.
My name is Mary Ellison.
Kia ora, my name's Tipu Daniels and this is my whānau.
My name is Suzanne Marguerite King. I am Katakuri.
I'm Cheryl Berquist. My affiliation is with Kaikoura.
My name's Corey Lyon. I'm affiliated with Ngāi Tahu.
There's always been a call to get us over to Australia. We're responsible to 54,000, not just those that are living home. So it's a huge challenge for us, how we bring us to them, how we get them engaging, how we ensure that they know what they're entitled to, how they can benefit from the Act. And so that's why we're here.
And really the officer's role is about how can we support and enhance well-being amongst our Ngāi Tahu whānau, wherever they are and wherever they may be.
Ko te tino kaupapa ia, kia whiriwhiri i ngā taura o te taukaia o Wainganui o mātou o Ngāi Tahu. Kia tūhono mai ai rātau e noho tawhiti ana ki te iwi, ki ngā mahi a te iwi, kia matua mōhio rātau e ahana.
You've heard the enthusiasm from people here today that want to make a connection, get started on their waiata, all of those sorts of things, and that's, I think, where our true power base for the future is going to be, in these places right here like Brisbane, Auckland, Sydney and those sorts of places. So yeah, that's where the future lies, I think.
So please register with your Rūnanga, get involved in the elections. All of what we have been through, you are the owners. Have control over us. Get involved in the processes.
It's been brilliant. It's lovely to see all our people turn up. It's nice to hear of their issues. And there are things we've got to look at. It's what the whole job is about. It's about the people. No, it's a buzz. Love it.
For us it's about engagement and information for the future of our children and their children, and also recognising the tupuna and the history of our awesome iwi.
Yeah, I want to introduce my daughter and my granddaughter that there is, a little bit of help, afi, from our iwi.
I just really do like the history and how it leads to now and what they're thinking about now and what the important issues are.
Oh, it's the first one I've ever been to, and believe me, I will come back for another one because I felt something very strong in there today, listening to Mark and all the people speaking. It does bring out what I had before I came here to live. It was beautiful.